Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, amazing, wonderful, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your messages from Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine, DM to the DF who are not in contact with each other. Okay, I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. So let's see. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the messages from your Divine Masculine. Okay, what are the things they want to tell you and many more things. Okay, so now let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages from the Divine Masculine to the Divine Feminine. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for Divine Feminines from the Divine Masculine. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? What does Divine Masculine wants to say to the Divine Feminines? What does Divine Masculine What does Divine Masculine wants to say? What does Divine Masculine wants to say to the Divine Feminine? What are the messages from the Divine Masculine? Okay. So they want to tell you that I need more time to figure things out. So they need more time to figure things out and you gave me enough space. So they know that you have given them enough space and they need more time to figure out things. Okay. So then they want to say that you respect their family. Okay. You respect my family and I wish I could be there for you. Okay. They're wishing that I could be there for you. I have known you in often lifetimes. So as you know that Divine Masculine awakening is going on. So yeah, they know that you are the twin flame for them. You are the divine counterpart for them. They know you in many often lifetimes and they're wishing that they could be there for you. I feel badly the way that I treated you. You did not deserve that. So they feel very bad that they treated you wrong. They treated you badly and they understand the connection now. Okay, I understand our connection now. I feel badly for the way that I treated you. You did not deserve that. Okay, so they're feeling very bad about it and they understand the connection now. And you do things to make me happy. Okay. So they love that you do things to make them happy. So now let's see more messages from the Divine Masculine and let's see more messages. What are the messages from the Divine Masculine? What are the messages? They feel bad for the way they treated you and they can understand the connection now. Okay, now they understand the connection. Okay. Now let's see more messages. What are the messages from the Divine Masculine? I'm sorry, I can't forgive myself for how things went down. Okay. See, they're feeling very bad that they treated you wrong and they cannot forgive themselves how things went down here. So they know that they have not treated you right and they are very sorry. And they cannot forgive themselves, okay, for how things went down here. So now let's see more messages. I may not have shown it enough, but I care deeply about you. Okay, I may not have shown it you, Divine Feminines, but deeply they care you a lot here. Okay, but I care deeply about you. Wounded Masculine, I have hurt you while I was hurting. And it was the same message which I received in my last recording, also in my last video, that they were the wounded masculine, okay. They were requiring healing and they hurt you while they was hurting themselves, okay. I have hurt you while I was hurting, okay. So themselves, they were the wounded masculine and they have hurt you and they feel bad for that, okay. They feel very bad that they treated you very much wrong. You are healing my soul without even realizing it, okay. So you are healing my soul even without realizing it. That's the message I'm getting for you. I feel so much joy with you. It's like I am a kid again. So they like your company. They like to be with you, divine feminines, because that makes them kid again, okay. So let's see more messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine? Okay. I see signs that reminds me of you all the time. So they're getting the signs. Maybe they see the songs, the signs, the universe is trying to tell them, okay. So that's why they're finally getting to know that I understand our connection now, okay. Why they're understanding the connection now? Because I see signs that reminds me of you all the time. So they're finding the signs which make them think about you all the time. So they're missing you here, divine feminine. It's not like that, like what you think. It's not what you think, okay. It's not what you think that I don't love you. I love you. I miss you. I see the signs that remind me of you all the time, but I don't know which direction to go, okay. They don't know which direction to go. I'm learning from my mistakes. So they're learning from their mistakes, whatever mistakes they have done. So they're learning from the mistakes. I'm learning how to love myself, okay, because they were the wounded masculine. So they are trying to love themselves here. So they're learning from their mistakes. They are learning how to love themselves. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. They know that divine feminines, you love them unconditionally. I have been watching you from a distance. So they are watching you from the distance, okay. That means they're keeping tabs on you. They're watching you through social media apps, maybe on Instagram, on Facebook, Skype, Twitter, WhatsApp, but they are keeping an eye on you. They are watching you from a distance here, okay. Let me see more messages. Any other message? Any other thing divine masculine wants to say? Okay. Bottom of the deck. Okay. I want to surprise you and I see you in my dreams. Okay. So they see you in dreams. Okay. That's why they say the signs I'm getting. I see the signs that reminds me all the time, okay, because they see you in their dreams, okay. They see you in their dreams and they want to surprise you here. They want to surprise you. Your beauty and strength intimates me here, okay. Your beauty and strength intimates me. I am more sensitive than you think, okay. So these are the things which divine masculine wants to say. Let me add more messages. Let's see more messages from the divine masculine. What are the messages divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Okay. In my dreams, I always see you. See, same message is here. In their dreams, they always see you. They are seeing you in their dreams, okay? In my dreams, I always see you. I hope it is clear to you, okay? So in their dreams, divine feminines, they are finding you basically, okay? Your voice resonates deeply in my soul. So your voice, by listening your voice, they know that this voice they know from many of our lifetimes. That's why they are saying that I have known you in many of our lifetimes, because in their soul, the soul recognizes everything. You can guess what I'm going to say. So you can guess what they want to say here. We know we can work things out together. So they think that you both together can work out things here. Can you see now? Let's see more messages. I don't know, I am today getting that Divine Masculine wants to say a lot of things. Okay, what are the messages Divine Masculine wants to say? What are the things Divine Masculine wants to say to the Divine Feminines? You are the light in my life. Okay, so you are the light, you are the night. Okay, so you are the light in my life. That's the thing they want to say. You have magic hand that can fix everything. So they love your touch, basically your hand touch. So they want to tell you that you are having magic hands, Divine Feminines, that can fix everything here. I feel halved when I'm not with you. So they feel halved, they feel incomplete without you here. You are my best friend and always be. Okay, so you are the best friend for the Divine Masculine and always be here. Let me see more messages for the Divine Masculine. See, I told you they want to say a lot of things. Lot of things, I can say that. That's why I am getting more messages, more messages, more messages. Okay, let's see what are the things they want to tell you. What are the things Divine Masculine wants to say? Okay. Even when you are angry or gloomy, you are still adorable. So they like when you are angry, Divine Feminines, you look adorable. Okay, I can stare at you for hours when you are sleeping. Okay, so they love staring at you. Even when you are sleeping, they love to stare at you. I start missing you the second you leave. The second you leave, if you think Divine Feminines, your Divine Masculine does not miss you, so you are wrong. Okay, they are saying you that I start missing you the second you leave them. Okay, you love me like no one other can here. Okay, no one other can love them the way you love them. So these are the messages from your Divine Masculine. Beautiful messages. They want to tell you so many things here. They want to surprise you. They see you in dreams. Okay, they see all the signs that reminds them all of the time, okay, about you. They don't know which direction to go. Okay, and they want to give you a surprise. I want to surprise you, and they're watching you from a distance. Okay, they're watching you from a distance, and they know that they have treated you wrong. Okay, but they are sorry to hear. I'm sorry, I can't forgive myself for how things went down. Okay, I feel badly for the way I treated you. You did not deserve that. But now they understand connection. I understand our connection now. So now they understand the connection here. Okay, so let's see more. What are the messages? Thank you for giving the messages. What are the messages from the universe? What are the messages from the universe to the Divine Feminines? Okay, what are the messages from the universe to the Divine Feminines? Please give me, universe, the messages. Okay, what are the messages from the universe to the Divine Feminines? Engage in spiritual cleansing of body, mind and soul. So you need to do your cleansing here of your body, mind and soul. Do your aura cleaning, your body cleaning, your mind cleaning here, body, mind and soul. You have to do your spiritual cleansing here. That's the message. Put more focus on yourself and your surroundings. So you need to love yourself first. Shift your focus on yourself. You deserve to be loved for who you are, and that's right, okay? You don't have to change yourself. You deserve to be loved for who you are. Learn how to manifest what you want, okay? So you have to learn how to manifest what you want in your life. Learn to forgive yourself and others, and that's very important. Forgiveness is very much important and required in your journey. Okay, Divine Feminines, you need to learn how to forgive others and forgive yourself too. Never dim your light for anyone else here, okay? So never dim your light for anyone else. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see some tarot messages from my Twin Flame Tarot deck. What are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Someone is dealing with the karmic partner, either Divine Feminines, you are having karmic partner, or the Divine Masculines are having karmic partner. But someone is having karmic partner here, okay? So let's see what are the messages for this reading. Please give me the messages which are important to deliver. See, trust in the divine. Okay, trust, surrender to the divine. He has the better plan, okay? Divine planning is here. You need to surrender yourself, okay, to the divine timing, because things will happen according to the divine timing. And here I'm having synchronicities. Pay attention as your angels are trying to communicate to you. See, even the Divine Masculine was telling you that they are getting the signs which reminds about you. So maybe you are also getting the signs, the number synchronicities, anything, okay, because the angels are trying to communicate, okay? So pay attention to the signs, because angels are trying to communicate to you. There is ascension, rising into soul's light, shedding old skin. So you are going under the process of ascension. You are ascending, okay, Divine Feminines. Okay, you are shedding all limitations. And see, bottom of the deck I'm having forgiveness is required. I'm going to take this card. Forgive yourself and forgive others too. Okay, any other message for this reading? You are becoming your higher self, okay? Trust in the divine, surrender to the divine, because he has the best plan, he has the better plan. So trust in the divine planning here. Energy clearing, transformation and detachment. See, same message is here. Energy clearing, cleansing your system to open to possibility. You need to do your energy cleansing here, which is required. Engage yourself into energy cleansing of body, mind and soul. So energy cleansing is an important message for you, Divine Feminines. There is transformation. Transformation is always beautiful. Okay, as you know, you are getting ascension, you're getting ascending. Transformation is taking place for you. So now you are becoming a beautiful butterfly, okay? And transformation is always beautiful. There is detachment. Release yourself from end results, and you have to be in detachment mode. Release yourself from end results. Release any control issues if you are having here. And there is life purpose. You are here for a reason, okay? So you have to know your life purpose, okay? So you are here for a reason. Bottom of the deck I'm having patience and awakening. See, I told you that Divine Masculine are going through awakening here, okay? They are going to awaken, so give them some time. Have patience. You are finding your higher self. Divine Masculines are going through a awakening process here. So this situation requires more time. Patience is required, Divine Feminines. You need to keep patience here. Your Divine Masculines are, wow, see, bottom of the deck I'm having Divine Feminine, okay? New beginnings. New doors are opening up for you, okay? New doors are opening up for you, divine feminines, okay? Nothing can resist her magnetizing nature. That's you, divine feminine. New doors, new beginnings are opening up for you. So yes, these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Have patience, because they are going through awakening. Let them awaken fully, okay? So these are the messages. Let's see what are the blockages which divine masculine and the divine feminine in this twin flame journey you are dealing with. Apply it according to your situation. If it is not applying to your situation, you can skip it out, okay? Take whatever is resonating. So I'm going to tell you the blockages. What are the blockages for this reading? Please give me the blockages for the twin flame reading. Please give me the blockages. What are the blockages? What are the blockages? Anger issue, toxicity, perfectionist. Okay. Any other blockage for this reading? No. Okay, so maybe you are having anger issues, divine feminines, or your divine masculine is having anger issues, but someone is having anger issues here. Then there is toxicity, so work on your toxicity, anything which you are dealing with or the divine masculine is dealing with, but toxicity is the blockage. Then there is perfectionist, so someone is here who wants to be things, you know, perfectionist. These are the blockages in your twin flame reading. Thank you for the messages. Let's see some messages from the true love reading or cards. Let's see what are the messages for this reading. Please give me the messages for this reading which I need to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages? Sexuality, self-respect, manifestation, spiritual maturity, life purpose is coming again and again for you here. So 1 minute. You need to work on your life purpose, divine feminines. You are here for a reason, okay? Work on your life purpose. You are having a life purpose, so you have to work on your life purpose. So that's the important message I'm getting for you. There is self-respect and sexuality. Now you are accepting your sexuality as it is, okay? And you have to take care of your self-respect, okay? There is manifestation and there is spiritual maturity. Now you become spiritual mature day by day, okay? Spiritual maturity is coming for you. And there is manifestation card, so you are doing some kind of manifestation. That's why the message was that you need to learn how to do manifestation here. Learn how to manifest what you want. Maybe you are manifesting, divine feminines, but you need to learn how to manifest, okay? So manifestation card is here. So this is very beautiful message, I can say that. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add 1 or 2 messages from this deck. What are the messages for this reading? What are the messages you want me to deliver for this reading? Please give me the messages. Imagine and serendipity. Again, manifestation. See. Imagine, manifestation. You are doing manifestation here. Manifestation is here. So manifestation will be you will manifest whatever you are manifesting, but you need to manifest. Okay, you learn to manifest how you have to learn how to manifest. Okay, and the second thing is serendipity. Luck is on your side, divine feminines. Okay, but you need to learn how to manifest. You are manifesting something, so learn how to manifest here. Okay, luck is on your side. Serendipity, this is very fortunate card. This is very beautiful card. Okay, so these are the messages. Let's see what are the things you need to surrender. What are the things which divine feminines or the divine masculines needs to surrender for this reading? What are the things they need to surrender for this reading? Okay, there are three things. Surrender the habit of people pleasing. Speak your needs and be true to yourself. Focus on your own happiness instead of always trying to make everyone else happy. Okay, so surrender to the habit of people pleasing. That's the thing which you need to surrender here. There is surrender to your soul's path here. Your life journey has perfectly designed for your soul growth. Embrace every lesson and every moment. You need to surrender yourself on your soul's path. Okay, and there is surrender to non-action. Now it's time to be still and not act. Simply breathe and focus on your own power. Let others come to you. Okay, let others come to you. So these are the three things which I need to tell you. Now let's see what are the next steps divine masculine wants to take towards the divine feminine. What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take to the divine feminine? What are the next steps? What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take? What are the next steps? What are the next steps divine masculine? What are the next steps? What are the next steps divine masculine? What are the next steps divine masculine wants to take? Okay, they are changing the perspective here, and they are taking the decision here. They're going to take a decision. Before they were unable to make a decision. As you know that we received the message that they don't know which direction to go. But now they are changing their perspective, and now they're going to take a decision here. Okay, so they are going to take a decision because you ignite the passion in them. Ace of Wands. This is new beginning in passion. Passion is ignited here. They want to come towards you divine feminines. They want to come towards the calmer waters, and they see you as someone who has having lot of emotions. Okay, Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is someone who has lot of emotions to offer. Okay, who is very intuitive, who has psychic abilities, and who has lot of lot of love to offer. Maybe they love pets. Okay, they love pets, or they have pets. That can be a possibilities. Then there is Five of Wands and High Priestess and Ace of Cups. Okay, so whatever challenge was there, they are going to resolve here. Okay, they are going to get resolved, all the challenges which they are going through here, just by using the intuitions here. Can you see High Priestess is here? So they are going to use their intuitions, And even if divine feminines, you also have to use your intuitions. Okay, use your intuitions, and they are also going to use their intuitions. They want to give you Ace of Cups. This is emotional fulfillment. They want to give you all emotions which you deserve. Okay, emotional fulfillment, a cup which is full of emotions. So these are the things which they want to give you. Beautiful things they want to offer you, I can say that. Let's add 1 or 2 messages from angels and ancestors. What are the messages for this reading? Please give me messages. Honor your inner knowing. Honor your inner knowing, medicine mother. Okay, you are having beautiful inner knowledge, wisdom inside of you, divine feminines. Okay, so honor your inner knowing. There is spirit fox. Trust your talents in changing time. So trust your talents, whatever talents you are having, whatever knowledge you are having, you having beautiful things inside of you. So just trust them. So these are the beautiful things which is there. Thank you, angels and ancestors, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add 1 message from the angels. Surrender yourself to the divine timing. Too many messages. Honesty and communication. So you need to be honest with yourself, to the divine, to the universe, that what you want, and communicate clearly. And surrender here. So surrender to the divine timing. Okay, trust in the divine timing. Surrender to the divine. Surrender to yourself, to the divine. Trust in the divine timing. That's the same message I'm having here from the angels. Thank you, angels, for giving the beautiful messages. Now let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. They can be a Sagittarius here, a Leo, Virgo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, okay, Aries, Taurus, Cancer. Okay, let me see more from my handmade deck. What are the signs which are available here? They can be an Aries here, okay. They can be an Aries here, okay. Aries is here. They can be a Cancer here. Cancer is here, okay. So they can born on June. There is a June baby. Either you are born on June or they are born on June. There is Friday and Saturday. So either you are born on Friday, Saturday, or your partner is born on Friday or Saturday. There is a Virgo here, okay. Virgo is here. Let me see more. Any other sign? Okay. So they can be a Libra here. Okay, there is a Libra here which is coming out again. They can be a Scorpio here. Okay. They can be a November baby. Okay. They can be a July baby. Wednesday and Thursday. Monday or Tuesday. Okay, any other signs? They can be a May baby. And they can be a Pisces here, okay. So all signs are here, I can say that, okay. So this was your reading from your divine masculine to the divine feminine. I hope I help you out in some manner. And take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, healing and beautiful happiness energy to all of you, whoever is watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.